A lot of people do not know what hair bonding is. When it comes to hair replacement for hair loss, hair bonding, I believe, is a very viable option. I've talked about this before several times on my page. There are a couple of videos. It's the method where they do like a shaved pumpkin top and they're gluing the piece here and it sits there until it's removed, cleaned, and put back on. Years and years ago, when I saw this done by so many people on my site, I was told time and time again, realistic time frames on this adhesive of having glue on your head and feeling like the cleanliness of it and everything was 7 to 10 days. Maybe somebody can make it last 14 days, feeling good and being able to wear your hair 24 hours a day. That's the trade-off. You take it off, you put it on, you do that once a week. Where this becomes a problem is that salons or vendors offering the service begin not to tell the truth about the realistic time frame of that bond. Selling a time frame of a 4 to 6 week bond is pretty unrealistic in my opinion, and I'm not against any bonding, but I am against the truth not being told. This sets up the person looking at this for failure, because if they thought this is just going to go on my head, I go every 6 weeks, I go every 4 weeks, they don't realize what's coming down the pike. They don't realize this thing may start itching in a week, it may start loosening up, it may start smelling, and now they're hooked up into the system. Now they have a shaved head if they didn't choose a long hair bond. I'm not knocking any bonding. I like the idea of bonding for the right candidate. That means you need to know if you are the right candidate. And the only way you're going to know if you are the right candidate is if you have all the facts.